Alright, we're here in Weatherly. Just did a spring change. 2 extension springs, 2 reds. These are the old springs. Also replaced 2 pulleys. Now we're going to change these old worn rollers. See this black line? That means that the rollers are just rubbing up against the track. Grab the teeth of the hammer. Pop out. Pop out. Pull. Right. Pop out. Pop out. The hammer, close this up. I opened this up before the video started. Roller here, just lift up a little bit. Just that one out. Pop, pull, replace. Pop, 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 pop. Side back up. You see this roll is bad. You see that? Pop. That's those rollers.